Hey everyone, welcome back to your cryptosphere. If you're curious about diving into the world of cryptocurrency, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to invest in cryptocurrency in a way that's easy to understand and, most importantly, fun. So, let's get started.
First things first, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's digital money that uses cryptography for security. Think of it as a new form of currency that operates on a technology called blockchain. But don't worry if that sounds complicated. We'll simplify it as we go along. Before you invest a single penny, it's crucial to do your homework. Research different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even some altcoins. Check out their use cases, the teams behind them, and their market trends. Websites like CoinMarketCap and forums like Reddit can be great resources. Next up, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your crypto. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure to look for an exchange that's user-friendly and has strong security measures in place.
Now, here's a pro tip. Start small. It's easy to get excited and want to invest a lot, but remember, the crypto market can be volatile. Consider starting with a small amount that you're comfortable with. This way, you can learn the ropes without risking too much. As you get more comfortable, think about diversifying your portfolio. Just like in traditional investing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different spheres you have it. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting journey if you take the time to educate yourself, start small, and stay informed. Remember, it's all about making smart decisions and enjoying the process. Whether you're in it for the long haul or just exploring, the key is to have fun while learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in crypto. Don't forget to subscribe to your cryptosphere for more tips and insights on cryptocurrency and other exciting topics. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.